Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add link in your Instagram bio. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And as you can see, my bio is now empty. And to fill this with a link, let's go to, for this instance, let's go to YouTube. Now select any video or any link that you want to put on your bio and copy that link and go back to your Instagram to paste the link in your bio. Click done once you're done. But as you can see, the link is not clickable when it's pasted to your bio. And if you want the link that's clickable in your profile, tap Edit Profile once again, select the links field, click Add External Link, and paste the link beside the URL. And also feel free to input a title. So as for this one, let me put YouTube vid and select done once you're done. And once you go back to your profile, you'll see that there is now a clickable link in your bio or in your profile. And that's how you can easily add a link to your Instagram profile or bio. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!